recording. You can start talking.
Okay. Welcome. We're at
Greenburg Nature Center.
Greenburg Nature Center, and with my brother, my mom, and my dad. We're gonna be walking through the woods, seeing animals and things. Kind of things.
Look at the way they cut all these trees.
Yeah. See, there can be like 2 trees that are cut down right now. 2.
Hold on to your
3.
Does that mean anything? It says number 13. Does it say anything on the map? You see the thing?
As you see, you have 1, 2, 3. And the blue marks are for something. We may see animals walking by. Like 2 seconds ago, we just saw a little squirrel walking by.
Look, talk about the blue things, because on the map...
Yeah, it just says there's like so many blue things.
Yeah, no, but the blue things on the thing, that's how you can follow the blue trail.
Oh. So the blue marks on the trees are when you have to follow the trail, I'm saying.
Oh, you see, look over there. That's the purple, the pink one.
You see blue right there, purple. And
yeah, we want the blue one.
So this way.
Oh, I saw a nice picture online. I want to try to recreate the picture.
Another blue one right there.
Yeah. You heard, bud? When I was looking at my phone earlier,
What?
I found some pictures of here.
Yeah.
So I want to go, you know, obviously get the picture and then try to edit the picture online to how I saw it.
Whoa.
You know?
Oh, there's another blue one, if you can see, from that far away.
Yeah.
It feels so soft, like sand.
Well, you're walking on leaves, of course.
No, I feel like I'm going to fall into the leaves. I just did 2 more. For some reason, there's this 2 and sometimes there's 1. Oh, which way do we go? My dad decided to go this way.
Follow the numbers.
Number 10.
Follow the
another blue one.
path.
So we had to find the blue, like, hexagon, you say, pentagon. Another blue one right there. You could say a square. It's like different.
No.
Where is it?
It's not a square.
What is it?
It's a sideways square.
You could say a sideways square. All the trees are cut down. All branches. Hurry up! Hurry up!
Come on, slow pokes.
See the branches, the wood all cut down. As you can see, we found another one, and we found the number 9. So we're still walking down the trail. So when we find number 1, we're there. Poppy, Poppy, Poppy.
Yeah.
You see, we found number 9 and another blue one, so we're getting close to end it. So we will have to keep walking this way. Okay. As you see, all the big rocks near cheap trees for some reason. Oh, there's another blue one. There's just say number 8 on it. We have to look for the number 8.
Yeah, you gotta look for the little peg that comes out the ground that says number 8.
I see another blue sideways square.
Really, I think it's just a field marker. I think that's what they call them. You know?
Uh-huh.
So you can keep yourself on the trail.
Uh-huh. As you see, another blue one.
I wonder what's on the back of that sign.
I think that's a number. That may be a number. No, Forest Trail.
Oh, okay, because that's the one we're going to.
and you see a blue one. But I see another blue one over
you have to
there.
go this way. I'm just curious what's down there.
I think there's like branches. But I think that
Let's wait for them.
I see two more sideways squares, a big pile of rocks, and I don't see a number 8. Number 8 somewhere. Oh, another sideways square that was on the other side. Keep walking, you see another 2 sideways squares, but not another number 8. So no number 8. As you see, oh, 2 more sideways square. Doesn't say number 8 though. Wait, Poppy. Poppy, come here.
Wait, hold on 1 second.
2 more sideways squares, but it says forest trail. That. So are we going the wrong way? Or is it tricking us? You see a little pond right there. Poppy, come here. I found a little pond. I found the pond.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
It's over here. Wait for my dad. Come here. For some reason, when you see the 2 sideways squares, it says the forest trail will be going this way. And you see the pond is right here. And another sideways square.
You can tell their names, okay?
And a little pond right there.
You know what those are, right? Those lily pads, no? Lily pads?
There's no sideways square right there. 2 sideways squares. Wait, but we're just doing a circle around the whole thing.
Yeah. Here, wait.
I didn't
want
get
to take a picture from that angle over there, and I want to take a picture of the bridge, so we could all go around.
I've got this. I'm going. Yeah, there's no possible way. This pond is too big. Is it here?
There's got to be fish in the water. You don't see the ripples?
I see it.
Like, green.
Walk around the whole thing. And as you can see, a wood frog pond. Please keep area clean. It's a wood frog.
Yeah, there's wood frogs here.
Oh, and a little side square right there. You see another side square, if you can see that good, a side square right there. Let's see what my dad's doing. Oh, nice, with the ocean. Here we go. And you can see, oh, nice little ocean where some fishes are here. Oh, Poppy, come here, look. Look what someone dropped. A camera.
Oh, fuck.
Yo, come here, guys. Come here.
Here, hold this.
Look where someone dropped.
Someone dropped the camera?
Yeah, someone dropped a camera. It may still work. Does it work still? Or is it broken because it's wet?
No, that's not what I want.
What?
That's a good one.
I guess they bought something good.
So you dry it with rice. You put it inside rice.
You can see my dad just wanted a new camera. That was right there.
This is crap. This is done.
That was right there.
Yeah,
Can I?
Whoa! Before you drop
I'm not
the
gonna
camera in the thing,
Can I fling it into the ocean?
No.
Into the
ocean?
The
No,
pond?
that's not
No.
good for them. They have to find a barber thing. Only one type of wood. Like bash it rather than wood.
They didn't break.
They're really good.
Let's see. We found.
No, that's $30 memory card right there. If that
Side
memory card
square.
still works.
Side square right there. And see that far away is a little side square over there. There it is.
There's nothing internal about that. Everything's right there on the outside.
See this one
How's
here?
going on?
And you can see right there is a little side square. And I don't think you see it, but it's too far away. Side square right there. Little bird.
Little bird.
I see it. There. Two little squares. Two little squares. Oh god! Stop! This tickles though. Two sideways squares right there. Sideways squares right there. I guess you killed the spiders of food. Two sideways squares.
You're right.
So wait, which way do we go?
Can I get a picture of you pointing at the blue thing? No, go more closer to the tree and put your left hand up.
Hmm?
Okay, I got it. Hey, Spider-Man,
Something keeps tickling me.
you gotta go up.
Which way?
Up.
This way?
Find me.
You see there's four, and with one other tree, four sideways squares right there. Four sideways squares right there. Two there and two on that other side. Can't see. See two right there and two right here. Fourth short pond. Oh my god. Come on, yo. Let me see two more side. You see two more side squares. And we can see over there, just two sideways squares over there. There's two more side squares over there.
You just tripped.
Two sideways squares. I mean one sideways square right there. Two sideways squares that's screwed in. That tell you where to go. So we're going and we found a number. Number 3.
Oh, so that means we're probably almost done. Oh, yeah.
Where the butterfly garden is and birds of prey.
Oh, birds of prey is where the eagle is. No, I don't think it's inside. I think it's outside.
Wait, nature trail site
Which way?
Too much stuff is going on my face.
Yeah, that's the spider web.
Where do you know the spider webs are? I don't see spider webs.
Look at the two things.
You step on. See another side square right there. Wait. That was a bird. It was blue.
Yeah. Maybe it's blue jay?
Yeah. That's my brother, my dad, my mom.
Family is 85.
My mom.
Hi. Family is 85. The grand family is 100.
Someone took the number out. Well, that was 2.
That's probably 2, yeah.
So we're almost done.
Yeah.
And how about the rest? But probably, if we got to number 3, we passed like 5 numbers.
Maybe they were ripped off like that one.
Yeah, because I did not see any things screwed in. So the stumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It'd be like a little campfire.
And you can see there's
Orange.
and there's orange more there. And that's the blue path that goes more.
Oh, orange goes a different way.
That's not orange. Right, this is the orange one.
Where'd it go?
Orange one. Seems to be the shortest one. Let's just go back to look. Let's do.
So we follow the blue one?
Well, I wanted to go back to the.
Wait. Oh, one. Two. Oh God, I almost fell. They're not steady enough. Oh, what is it?
Probably like a bird or a chipmunk. I want to see if I can get a picture.
I was say up there, but no. You see, there's two sideways squares, and we're close. You have to go this way, not that way. That's just going back to a place.
Yeah.
Where's that? What's that?
I don't know. Let's go look.
Okay. This may be where chickens are. Chickens are. This may be where the ducks are. Where are these?
There's the eagle's nest right here. These are born animals. Look.
There are sheep, a turkey.
There's a turkey and a goat.
A turkey, a goat that are not actually fighting. I guess they're friends. As we keep walking, you'll see. Oh, what's over there? As you see, we can walk over here. There's a little chicken over there. These are where some of the chickens are. That's where they drink. Some food is on there. Some are babies and they're scratching. They're chickens. Oh, what's over there? See, I can see it. I can see it perfectly. I have like a perfect sight of it. What's down there?
Oh, that's a bunny.
They got bunny there. Really big bunny.